Carlos, as a plant medicine facilitator, could you tell us some of the other dimensions that someone could use to address or look at a plant medicine journey, especially from the point of view of integration that isn't necessarily generic, but more specific?
The different dimensions would go as somatic, which is the experience in the body, cognitive, which is for people that are more reason based and more logical, emotional for those that had emotional connections with self and with others, relational, also relation with self and with others, spiritual, which is a deeper connection to source and spirit and why we're here, creative for people that are more like in the looking for inspiration in terms of like creative activities like painting, music, writing, and political can be another one, which is like our sense of values and our sense of like where we stand in society and where we stand in what's right and wrong.